This is a quick video to show you how to thread our mini sewing machine. This machine has two sources of thread. The main thread that you see most of the time, and the bobbin thread that is usually hidden underneath the fabric you're sewing. To thread the main thread, you're going to come off the bottom of this spool, through this eyelet, over these two wheels, through this eyelet, through this hole, through that eyelet, through this support right here, and finally through the hole, the eye of the needle, passing from left to right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. When you start sewing, be sure to have this thread holder all the way up and a good amount of your top thread coming through the needle and running behind the machine. This will make sure you don't unthread it right as you start. Happy sewing!